To my OD Bob, finally, we are here. Muntik ko na masabing tagala. Over the years, I've tried to put this love into words. Scribbles here and there, random thoughts in notebooks, notes on my phone, notes on some random papers, late night whispers to myself, and a whole lot of daydreaming for this moment and of this moment. I love weddings, you know that. And I love a life, a vision of life that I get to spend with you.
Congrats sa akin pag sa iyong ngayon. Pagpunta ko dito sa imo marriage niyo. At saka kayong mahabang buhay pa. Magsama.
Papatunayan ko na hindi ka nagkamali sa desisyon na ako ang pinili mo kahit maraming nakapila. At pinakilala mo ako sa pamilya mo. Pero ako pala nagpakilala sa sarili ko. I promise na magsisimba tayo together and will always put God as the center of our relationship. I want to share this Bible with you so they are no longer two but one. Therefore, what God has joined together, that man not separate. I promise na ibibigay ko sa iyo ang langit mamaya. Thank you for throwing me a lifetime. Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin kong mamahalin hanggang sa susunod na habang buhay. I promise to love you unconditionally now and for a lifetime. And thank you for being my yellow. I love you so much, my love.
Thank you for being here for me always through ups and downs. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay na yun.
Okay na yun.
I love you.
I love you.
I vow to stand by you in light and in darkness, in joy and in challenges, in ASICs or in Duralite, to celebrate your victories like they're my own, and to hold your heart gentle always. In all ways. I promise to listen, to laugh, to learn, and to never stop choosing you day after day, soul to soul.
Thank you for being my first and everything, for helping me to heal my childhood traumas, and for supporting me in all the things that I do. And also thank you for loving my family, and nakita ko sa iyo yung ibang aspeto ng buhay na pwede naman tayo kumalma pala. I promise to be your vertebral column, supporting you through life pressures. And I promise to be the hemoglobin carrying oxygen to your dreams.
Sumasangayon ka ba na maging asawa si Joel na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Padre.
It was my application for nurse corps when I first met you way back 2017. Ikaw nagpa-exam sa amin sa neuropsych. At dahil sa ganda mo, bagsak tuloy ako. Pero nagkaroon po ako ng chance na bumalik at mag-retake. At syempre, nakita kita ulit. Sabi ko noon, ang ganda-ganda naman ng babaeng ito. Maputi, matangkad, magaling mag-English. After so many years we've been together, mukha lang pala talaga.
I'm feeling like a hummingbird in springs in bloom.
From the moment our paths crossed, soulmate talaga. There was this magic na From di kita types to hindi ko na ile-let go. Sure na to. Like the world had quieted down just enough for me to hear my heart say, you are the one.
Right now, I'm feeling something. Right now, it's never felt quite like this. The rush, the rise, the climb. Oh, right now I feel alive. 'Cause every moment here is a gift.
Jude,
Never felt quite like this.
sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Jana na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at sa mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Padre.
Never felt quite like this.
Today, I vow to keep loving you through every chapter to come. I promise to honor where we've been, to stay present in where we are, and to keep dreaming about where we are going together. You are my past, my present, and every bit of my future. And I choose you, Jude, you. Not just for who you are, not just a partner, but the missing piece I didn't know I was searching for. You understand me in ways no one ever has, and love me in ways I have never thought I deserved. With you, everything feels like home.
Felt quite like this. The rush, the rise, the climb. Oh, right now I feel alive. 'Cause every moment here is a gift. It's never felt quite like this.
Ma, ikakasal na ako, so I hope i-continue mo ang love mo sa iya, tapos dire-diretso mo lang na magpaka-healthy ka perme para sa diri mo. Okay?
It's never felt quite like this. It's never
Hindi ko alam. Ay, mahaba.
felt quite
Go,
like
Tim.
this. It's never felt quite like this.
You are my once in a lifetime, and I am endlessly grateful that we have found each other in this lifetime. I've been writing these vows for years, in my head and in my heart. But today, I finally get to live them with you and with God. I love you, Baba.
Like this.